So hello class, my name is Abhishek Biswas and I am an educator at Key to Success Academy, DDU Nagar, Raipur. And today we are going to discuss the literary groups. In our previous videos, we have already covered the literary ages of English literature. And from today onwards, we are going to discuss the literary group, the literary movements, key writers and their works, or we can make a PYQ on a separate work like Paradise Lost or The Tempest, The Hamlet, you know. So today we are going to discuss about literary groups. Before getting started, just would like to introduce you with our offer. So this offer is for both offline students and online students. For offline students, you are getting a lifetime validity. If you are an online student, you are getting a 2-year validity for clearing your UGC NET or CG set exams. The fees is 21,999 for offline, 19,999 for online. You have demo classes before getting started. You can opt for the demo classes. These are the numbers where you can straight away dial up and get your queries resolved. These are the subjects covered under this special offer. So let us get started with our PYQs now. Today we are discussing the literary groups. Which influential 20th century literary group featuring Virginia Woolf and E.M. Forster frequently met in the Gordon Square area of London? The Fabian Society, the Bloomsbury Group, the Pre-Raphaelites, the Rhymers Club. On the Bloomsbury Group. William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and Robert Southey were the principal figures of which romantic literary group? बहुत easy सवाल है. The graveyard poets, the cavalier poets, the lake poets, the metaphysical poets. The answer is the lake poets. Which group of the late 16th century English playwrights and pamphleteers, including Marlowe, Greene, laid the theatrical groundwork for Shakespeare? What is this all again? The University Wits, the Kingsmen, the Stationers, the Sons of Ben. The answer is the University Wits. J.R.R. Tolkien and C.S. Lewis were key members of an informal literary discussion group associated with the University of Oxford called the Vorticists, the Inklings, the Oxford Movement, the Guild of St. George. The answer is the Inklings. Formed in the early 18th century, which literary group included Alexander Pope and Jonathan Swift and was dedicated to satirizing false learning and pedantry? the Scribblers Club, the Augustan Society, the Kit Kat Club, the Royal Society. पोप और फिफ्थ के साथ मिलके एक ग्रुप है, उस ग्रुप का नाम The answer is Scribblers Club. Formed in 1714. एक फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर है इस ग्रुप का जो कि है मार्टिनस स्क्रिबलस. Founded by Dante Gabriel Rossetti and others, which 19th century group shout to return abundant detail, intense colors, and complex compositions to art and poetry. The decadent movement, the imagists, the pre-Raphaelite brotherhood, the symbolists. The answer is C. Rebelling against mechanistic approach of the Royal Academy, which idolized Raphael, this brotherhood produced highly sensual, spiritually rich, and poetry, rich art and poetry, deeply influenced by the medieval culture and nature. Which 17th century group of English poets, including Richard Lovelace and Robert Herrick, were known for their light, secular verse and support to King Charles I. The Puritan poets, the metaphysical poets, the Cavalier poets, or the Restoration wits. The answer is the Cavalier poets. Which 18th century group of pre-romantic poets is characterized by their gloomy meditations on morality, skulls, and coffins. Sorry, mortality, skulls, and coffins. The graveyard poets, the Gothic revivalists, the macabre brotherhood, the dark romantics. The answer is the graveyard poets. Coined in 1954, which group of British writers, including Philip Larkin and Kingsley Amis, emphasized an anti-romantic, anti-modernist, and traditional approach to poetry? The movement, the new formalists, the traditionalists, the reactionaries. This is an important question and a rare question too. है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा इससे नहीं पूछा जाता है इनमें से. The answer is the movement. Which loosely defined group of British playwrights and novelists emerged in the 1950s, famously expressing working class disillusionment with traditional English society. The kitchen sink realists, the angry young men, the disillusioned generation, the mod writers. The answer is the angry young men. है ना? Led by John Osborne, Alan Silito. ठीक है? So that's it. That's it about today's class. If you like the video, do like it on YouTube. Subscribe to the Key to Success Academy YouTube channel, and do share the video with others as well. And if you have any feedback, any doubt, any comments, do let me know in the comment section. And if you want to have any query, you can get each and every detail from the description box below. So thank you for your time, and have a great day.